South African National Civic Organization in the Free State says the suspension of Ace Magashule can be challenged in a court of law. Sanco, which is an alliance partner of the African National Congress, says Magashule's suspension is a temporary setback. It's also calling for an early conference to remove those that it refers to as counter-revolutionaries. For more on this, I'm joined on the line by Mr. Gift Poli, Sanco Free State Chairperson. A very good afternoon to you, Mr. Poli, and thank you for your time today. Now, you are saying that this matter should be taken to court. Are you saying that you are the ones who will be taking it to court?
No, let me start by saying I was listening to Prof, and then Professor is not an analyst, he's a politician, and then one of the rented people. We strongly believe as Sanco in the province of Free State that SG of the ANC is not going to get any joy from this process. We have noticed how these people are desperate. He was suspended. So that the NEC can resolve around it. But unfortunately,
Mr. Poli, unfortunately, we seem to be losing your audio there. Let's try just one more time. You were talking and giving us background saying that Mr. Ndlechana is one of the rented people, and you were trying to paint a perspective as to what is happening regarding the suspended Secretary General. Let's try again. Hopefully your sound will be better this time.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you well, Mr. Poli. Please go ahead.
No, thank you very much. I was saying SG is not going to get any joy from the process. Remember, the matter was supposed to be resolved by the NEC, but out of desperation, the NWC decided to suspend the SG. And then Comrade Jesse Duarte has no authority to suspend the sitting SG of the ANC. So that is a violation of the Constitution. That is why we strongly believe that this matter must be ventilated to the competent court of the law so that the matter can be resolved.
You're saying that the Deputy Secretary General has no authority to suspend the Secretary General and that it's a violation of the Constitution. Which Constitution are you referring to, and in what way is it a violation?
I'm talking about the very same constitution of the ANC. Remember, for you to be appointed as the acting secretary, you must be appointed or endorsed by the National Executive Committee. So the matter was supposed to go to the NEC so that the NEC can suspend the SG of the ANC, not the DGS. So it was premature of them to take that radical decision.